the matter?
The matter is you are having dream again.
So what if I was? It's just a dream.
This just a dream is keeping you from a decent sleep. And if your eyes get any droopier, you'll have to keep them open with toothpicks.
Boris, they'll stop drooping if you just go away and let me get some rest.
Wrong. You won't be getting rest. Not with that dream hanging around like dark cloud.
I hate it when you get dramatic.
How else to reach you? I'm telling you, boy chick, if you keep having same dream again and again, it means something